Hey guys, this is Reagan from Wheeler Dealer. Wanted to get you a quick video of our new RV that we just got on the lot. It's a Forest River Cherokee. It's the Alpha Wolf. It comes with a winter package, extra insulated floors, a ton of extras. I mean, this thing is really beautiful. It's got a great layout. So there's 2 bedrooms, one on each side. There are no bunk beds, so it's 2 full-size beds. Everything looks brand new. It looks like maybe they used it twice. So we'll go around. I'll give you all the specs and everything at the end. I'll have it listed in the description, and then any questions you have on it, please just comment me. I'll answer back right away. Of course, we do financing, we do trade-ins, we love barters. So as you can see, there are 2 entrances here. We only have one open just because there's a gate there. The awning, there's LEDs underneath it, and there's also a sound system, external sound system, which is really cool. There's also an external shower hookup, so I thought that was pretty neat. All kinds of stuff. So we'll get right into it. Beautiful gray wood grain flooring. We're going into the bathroom right now. Sink, mirror. This thing just looks beautiful. It's a skylight. Go into the bedroom area, one of the bedrooms. One thing I really liked about this RV is that there's tons of lighting, tons. Place for a TV. There's a fan, lots of storage. I keep finding like secret components and secret storage areas all over this RV. There's a ton of places to put stuff, which is awesome. Hallway here. As you can see, the kitchen is super open. You come right in, there's a couch here you can pull out that will lay flat. This kitchen area is super cute too, wrap around. This lays flat as well, so there's tons of places to sleep. I think this sleeps up to 8 people. Appliances all look in perfect condition. Countertops look amazing. I really like these deep sinks. It's another awesome feature. Cabinets look great. Full-size refrigerator and a pantry. Super cool. Tons of storage. Flat screen. Show you the inside of the pantry here. This is where we have all the lights. All the controls here, the awning, there we go, LED lights, all the water, you got your sound system right here, stuff for the solar panel. It'll come with the solar panels, of course. It comes with like a huge cover that covers the RV, so that's nice. Just looks like this was really well taken care of. Lots of cabinets in here too. These beds are huge. Lots of space. So that one had the 2 end tables. This one has a longer end table right here. I don't know if you can get a good focus on that. USBs, of course. That's another entry here. Even the fixtures are really nice. Central vac. If you've ever had a central vac before, you understand it's one of those luxuries you don't know you need until you have it, and then you're like, I definitely need this for everything. Super handy, super easy to clean up. But I mean, everything, most things still have tags on. It's gorgeous. Peace. So we'll come outside, kind of get a glimpse of it from far away. Yeah, this thing is gorgeous. This has been kind of one of my favorite RVs so far. Underneath looks great. Obviously no rust. It's got a clean title. Tires look awesome. Lots of tread. I'll get a video of the other side. You got your sewer outlet connection, gallery tank, wastewater holding tank. Cool, guys. Well, any questions, let me know. Put them in the comments. I'll answer right away. I'm really good about that. You'll probably have an answer in like 5 minutes. I'm always on my phone. We are located at 10250 West Fairview Avenue in Boise, Idaho. My name is Reagan. You can see all of our inventory. We got a lot of cool, unique stuff here. We do consignment, which is awesome. We do trades, financing. I mean, we're at localwheeler.com, so check us out. Thanks.